All right. Welcome everyone. Welcome to the live stream here. Okay, so we're claiming 406 now. Get a bit tricky here, depending on how. Hey, good morning, Dion. What's up? It's gonna be a little bit tricky here. We're kind of in the middle of nowhere now. We're underneath this critical level of 406.50. So, unless we get back above 406.50, we can't play anything. All right, unless you're not already in puts. So if you're not shorting already right now, if you haven't shorted at the rejection at 406.50, then there's nothing for you to do, right? Don't try to play within two levels, right? Within very, very important levels like 403.50 to 406.50. Sure, you can grab some puts in the middle and just write it down if you wanted to, but there's no confidence in that entry, right? And you don't want to be making random entries to get random results. So I'll be waiting to see if we can hold 406 again on this 15-minute candlestick, and if we do, then we'll make a nice bottom wick that we're making right now here. Oh, that's a kicker for shorts there. It's a big kicker. They all got pushed out here. We still have 6 minutes left on this candlestick, so who knows? We can't judge anything by the volume right now either, just based on the price action here. JWM looks good. Right on the Tennessee. If SPY decides to bounce here, it should be going up to around like 407.50. Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning. Might be prudent to get some calls here. It's not a bad idea. There's a very nice bottom wick here. Hey, what's up? What's up, Miner? What's up, Joel? Guys, getting some cheap out the money calls here is not that bad. For next Monday expiration, February 13th. 410 calls, not bad. 411, not that bad either. There we go. Ooh, it's a nasty hammer here. Very nice. Ooh, JWN. Nordstrom is rocketing higher. Good. SPY's looking good. Okay, that was our first retest of the 10 SMA here. If we can get back to 408, that'd be great. We can also have a possibility of having a double top here, right? Based on this first top, this rejection, and then the second one around here somewhere, around 408.20-ish. That would be good. That would be very, very good. Let's go. We're riding it higher. All right, JWN, at least 5% here. Okay. You guys should be up at least over 6% actually, but you guys should be over at least 6%. Oh, 7% now. Hey, Anthony, what's up? I missed you too. All right, that was a good run. Look at that. We completely screwed up the shorts here at the bottom. I had a weird feeling here that we moved way too quickly at the 406.50 right after the next 15-minute count. Well, this current one started to form, and that usually indicates that people are just selling their position here, right, from either yesterday or even right now at market open. So, you know, it's a bunch of day trading activity, basically, guys. All right, a bunch of day trading activity, maybe overnight people who have held on to puts overnight, right, from yesterday's entry, and then they sold at that nice candlestick to the downside. But either way, we have a lot of day trading activity going on, which is the reason why it's such a great day trading environment, which is not a good thing for me personally, since I am a swing trader. But I'm doing my best for you all, for people who are mostly day traders. You know, I'm trying to make sure you guys are able to day trade as well. But yeah, the reason why I said that is that you guys have to be careful, right? We're not going to get a confirmed move to either side until we are able to hit significant levels. Right? That's the reason why I said earlier, if you're not short already at 46.50 for potential profit, all the way back down to like 4 or 5, you shouldn't be in puts, right? You're going to be getting puts in the middle of nowhere, right? You don't want random entries to get random results. And that random result can be a very hefty loss, right? Not just a big win that most people think they can get from a random entry. Okay, so far we are rejecting the 10 SMA after retesting it now. There's a huge possibility for us to move back to 408 based on this candlestick and the volume, even though the volume doesn't really tell us anything. And the reason why, again, is that it's full of day trading activity, right? And you're not going to get a confirmation of anything with volume right now, because it could be filled with sellers and buyers. You can only truly know what's going on with the price action, okay? All right, if you hold this, we can go higher. If you hold the 10 SMA, you guys can grab some. Well, I said you guys can grab some calls like earlier here. So if you guys did, congrats. Yeah, once we started to get back above 406 and started holding 406, and then we started to go to 406.50 again. Yeah, that was a good area to get some calls. But everything's moving very, very quickly, guys. So don't be too, don't be FOMOing out here. Everything's moving way, way too fast. For me too, personally. I'm a swing trader, guys. I don't deal with the intraday market volatility, right? That's not how I am comfortable trading. But hey, we've been getting some good day trades this week. You know, beyond 10, you know, FTNT here and there. So not bad. Not bad as a swing trader, I would say personally. I'm not gonna, you know, slap myself on the face for missing out on more gains on a day trade. All right, I'm not a day trader. So whatever double digits that I get from a day trade, I'll be rewarding myself. All right, I'm not used to any of the intraday volatility at all. I look for multi-day moves or multi-week moves. Okay, let's put this in. Jesus. Okay. I don't want my laptop to die on you guys. Oh my god, I'm so sore. Okay, if you hold 407 here, guys, you know what to do. Grab some calls. Oh. That was a bit too quick. Alright, here it is. The moment of truth, guys. Can we break over? Can we do it? Oh, here we go. 408. Let's go. 408. Give me 408. If we can hold, if we end this candlestick above the 10 SMA, we'll definitely go to 408.20. Here we go. 408. We hit 408 there. Now all we need to do is retest the 21 SMA. Okay? We hit 408. We just have to hold the 10 SMA so that we can get back to the 21 SMA. This is good volume and good candlestick here. Nice reversal hammer candlestick. It's just we can't do anything based off its volume. And I saw that we had 3 likes even before the the stream started. Thank you guys. Thank you. That's awesome. These are some really quick moves here, to be honest. I don't know if it's worth this scalping, to be honest, too. At 408.20 would be PT. Yeah. So if you got in at 407 when I said, you know, you should probably get calls here if you hold 407. 408.20 will be a great area to take profits. We hit 408.10. That's around a 10-cent difference. But I would say that we hit that area. But again, we wouldn't know that yet until we close above the 10 SMA here on this current 15-minute candlestick. The next 10 minutes or so. And then once we close either above the 10 SMA or below it. But if we do close above the 10 SMA, I would expect us to retest 408.20. Or also, we can pop over to the 21 SMA. And remember what I said this morning, guys? I said I want to see a retest of the 21 SMA on the 15-minute time frame. We're kind of overextended. I told you guys this in the Discord here on the yeah, right here. So I said we had to retest the 15-minute 21 SMA soon, getting a bit overextended to the downside on the intraday. Plus, we're in an oversold area, and that's what we got here, right? We got a nice bounce from this first candlestick to the upside. This is a nice reversal hammer candlestick. And so the second one is kind of the confirmation candlestick that we need to see, all right, for an upside move higher. JWN should be almost 10% here if you guys got in with me. Looking very, very good for a swing, right? At least for the next 2 to 3 trading days. So into next week, my profit target is around 23 to 23.50. All right, these calls should be almost in the money once we're well, it should be in the money once we're at $23. But since we got the 22.5 strikes for the March expiration, like I said, guys, the spike call is 410 to 411 is good. All right, if you guys want to be really cheap though, 415 is fine. All right, 415 is fine. Hey, thank you guys for 6 likes. Oh, wasn't expecting that. Am I expecting to get puts at 408? I mean, I should have, right, already at 408, but I didn't. So that's not gonna happen. That ain't happening. Everything's too quick for me right now. I'm not comfortable with this quickness. All right, this big moves up and the snap back, and then big move up and snap back. I'm not comfortable with that, right? I know what I'm comfortable with, so I'm not going to be trading such big snapbacks or bounces up. Hey, here we go. For 8 retest again. All right, if you can close above the 10 SMA here, that'll be very, very good. Very good for us. Alright, so there is a chance that we can pop to around 408.50 because the 21 SMA is sitting at 408.72 now. It was at 73 a second ago. So as the price continues to move up higher or either kind of move sideways between the 10 and 21 SMAs in this area, we will get the 21 SMA slowly coming back down so that the price can ultimately retest it. Right? And if you guys know how my 10 and 21 SMAs work, as usual, right, if the price starts to remount the 10 SMA and close above the 10 SMA, we tend to move sideways between the area between the 10 and 21 SMA until we get a retest of the 21 SMA, and then we can also get a little tiny pop over the 21 if you get enough bullish volume. All right, but again, the volume is not really helping here, so we'll just focus on the price action for now, since there's a lot of day trading activity going on. How do we know this? Look at all the wicks. All right, we're getting very, very large wicks now. All right, and there's a lot of wide micro volatility with each 15-minute candlestick. I'm dropping a lot of information here, guys. Remember this, okay? It doesn't matter if you're using 10 SMA or 20. It doesn't really matter, right? If you guys are using EMAs, it's the same principle, same type of concept. Whenever you see a remount of a certain EMA or SMA, all right? Especially the short-term SMAs or EMAs. I know some people use the 9 and 21 or 9 and 20 or 10 and 20 SMA. It doesn't really matter, right? As long as you know how the SMAs are moving. As long as you know that, then you're okay. As long as you know how they move, as long as you know how they develop over time with the price action, okay? In the next 3 minutes here, we're gonna see a lot of quick action here. All right, even more so than right now. In the last 3 minutes, we tend to get quite some quick activity with the price. All right, remember that, guys. Remember what I said there. In the last 3 minutes of a candlestick is when we tend to get very, very big and quick action. So hopefully we stay above 407, preferably around 407.50, and basically above this 10 SMA on the 15-minute time frame. Make sure you guys are drinking your water. All right. Around 8 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, I'm gonna get some breakfast, guys. Just letting you know. It's not gonna take too long, but I'll be back in about like 10 minutes, or even less than that, actually, like 5 minutes. For all the Eastern Standard folks, that's 11 o'clock. So a little over 35 minutes or 32 minutes. I can't do my math right now. My apologies. Like 33 minutes, 32 minutes, around there. Okay, so we're holding 407 here. Hey, Joanna, what's up? You're welcome, you're welcome. Yeah, I'm just showing you guys the live stream that I do with my members here for today. You know, might as well. So there's a lot of people that are intrigued to come in, but they're not coming in, you know. They are asking me all these questions, but they're not, you know, they're not really coming in. So I'm like, huh, what's up with that? Okay, so far we're getting a rejection around 408.10. Okay. Again, if you haven't gotten puts at 408, there's no point in trying to grab puts right now. All right, there's no point. Okay, we're gonna get that micro volatility here. We're jumping up and down. Last few seconds left. Remember, last 3 minutes to last few seconds, we tend to get a lot of volatility. Remember that. Remember. What do you know? JWN is back to my entry price. Although, I think due to data and some other Greeks here, I got in around $22. But my contracts are back to break even. So it's about 8 cents off now. 6 cents off on the underlying share price. All right, we ended up above the 10 SMA. This is good. We remounted it, and we're gonna see a nice retest again of the 10 SMA. If you don't, then we don't. But we tend to get a retest, nice little tiny pullback, and then we move to the upside. If the music's too loud, guys, let me know. Okay? Yeah, or we're probably gonna, you know, just make a nice inside candlestick. That tends to happen when we're within or between the 10 and 21 SMAs. All right, look at that. Inside candlestick is forming. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice, very nice. Those 400 puts are now very, very cheap. They got hit with that intraday double top on the premium price, while the underlying share price is actually going up, giving a double top on the upside. See, now this is where we get the paralysis by analysis here, because we can be potentially seeing a double top around 408, and we can also be seeing potential a move higher thanks to the hold and the remount to the 10 SMA. But again, we tend to get a retest to the 10 SMA here, as we're seeing now. We're trying to move lower, trying to move up, okay? Or at some point, we're just gonna make a nice inside candlestick. Well, regardless of what we do, we are looking a little bit bullish here on the first hour of trading, which we just passed 2 minutes ago. And usually in the first hour, when we get a trend, okay, we tend to follow that trend for the next couple of hours, right? Next 2 to 3 hours. So far we are in an uptrend. Let me make that very clear for you guys. We are in a uptrend. Okay? The first hour has passed and we are now to the upside. We're moving to the upside. This is a very nasty reversal hammer candlestick. And here we go. We are retesting the 10 SMA. 10 SMA is being retested. What did I tell you guys? Oh, the 415 calls that expire next Monday is also very, very cheap. I liked it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Okay, here we go. Retest of 4007 around there, since the 10 SMA is at 47.50. You guys can grab some calls again. That can very much work out in your favor. $4.15 calls that expire next week, next Monday, look very, very good too. These will move. These contracts will move if we go have a nice snap back to the 408 area and ultimately the 21 SMA. Alright, all we need is to see the 10 SMA curling up, and we can see a nice move back up. Okay, so the first hour is green, Nice green candlestick. All right, and we can get a retest. Oh, actually on the hourly. Oh, that's even better. If we break above 4.8 today on this candlestick, on the next hourly candlestick here that we're on right now, we can see a retest of 4.9. Ooh. And this is why, you know, going out further on the time frames, right? Looking at the bigger picture is always a good idea on the intraday as well, right? 2 hour, 4 hour, you know. Good hourly candlestick here, the first hour, all right? It's moving to the upside. Look at that. Okay, nice. Retest the 10 SMA. What did I tell you guys? All right. So this candlestick has to be the confirmation here that we are holding, right? Because this is our first candlestick on the previous one where we remounted the 10 SMA. So this one, the reason why we want to see a retest of the 10 SMA is that we're we're saying that hey, we got to hold the 10 SMA here, and we're trying to confirm that we're going to stay above the 10 SMA. And also the first hour has passed, and the first hour has been moved to the upside. And usually after the first hour, we get our trend for the rest of the day, usually. Right, but again, we're not going to be so stringent on those usual trends because, well, we've been seeing a lot of volatility so far this morning, right? There's a lot of day trading activity going on. I mean, take a look at this candlestick that completely screwed over the shorts, and now it was beneficial for the longs, right? For people who are long. So, you know, a lot of strange activity going on due to a lot of day trading activity, but again, we're holding the 10 SMA so far, so not bad at all. Gotta wait for a pullback and confirmation to get in. Yes. Yep. Has a lot of nuance to that statement, but yes, that is the general idea there that you want to follow. Because if you're not following that, then I don't know what you're doing, man. What you doing? Okay, another retest coming in, and also hold the 407. Let's see if we hold 407. Oh, look at that. What do you know? I'm not gonna be too confident on anything right now. I mean, I've been saying this entire morning, actually. I won't repeat myself, guys. Dun dun dun. Okay. Hey, 7 likes. Thank you, guys. You guys are the best. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Or if you guys want to be risky, you guys can get some contracts here. Well, if you hold 4-7. If we hold. See, even the 1 hour, trend can't be taken too seriously again, because of the reasons that I've stated multiple times already. But just letting you guys know, there's explanations to everything, guys. Oh, look at that, and we're breaking down. I wonder why. I wonder why. We are very wiki, guys. Very, very wiki. Wicked? Should I say that? Candlesticks are very wicked. Oh, JWM is back down. I'm back down to 2%, minus 2%. Not bad, not bad. Again, guys, I'm mostly out of my longs here. Right. I'm out of laser. I'm out of a lot of things. Yeah. Unfortunately, we are seeing some pretty bad warning signs. Ooh, CSIQ. Huh. So he wants to develop it even more. That flag. Oh, look at this. DAL. Guess it could have been a perfect short, right? At 40. But, in hindsight, everything looks perfect. Oh. It's breaking that flag now. Oh, well. Aha, look at that. What did I say, guys, yesterday? Mobileye. It's going to come right back down to the flag chart pattern again. And we're getting exactly that. What do you know? Hey, Pinterest is holding the ascending support trend line here. Not bad. Oh, I was looking at DXCM yesterday, but earnings. Earnings. PayPal rejecting the 200. Not bad. Oh, MOS. Whoa. MOS is getting that pump. Thanks to CF. Shout out to Anthony there. Look at that. It's getting a sympathy move from CF. God, I can't speak today. This looks like a very good uptrend. I like it. Let's look at where all minings are at. Metals and mining. Oops, that's not what I want. Good bounce overall. Like with everything else right now. I guess we want to back test 406.50. I guess we closed below the 10 SMA, guys. This might be the actual pullback and a retest of this previous level of resistance into a new support. So get ready, guys. Get ready. Be ready for anything. at this point, since everything is so damn shaky. There's no, confirmed move, unfortunately. I mean, I can't do anything about that, but it is what it is. It is what it is. 5 minute, it's gonna be probably oversold. No, never mind. Oh. That's the reason why we're moving down the 5 minute. Okay. Alright, I'm still bullish here though. If we can remount the 10 SMA again, that'll be good. Just sticking to the fact that the hourly candlestick has been positive. There we go. Yeah, we're seeing resistance still on the 10 SMA. We made a lower high as well on this high. Hey, 7 likes. Thank you guys. Well, did I already say that? There's a lot more people coming in. Welcome guys. Alright, so we got that 406.50 back test. Are we gonna hold it or not? That is the true question here, guys. Do we hold 20 406.50? I was about to say 21 SMA. Okay, you can see a nice bounce here. Do we see it or not? Okay, we're holding 406.50. Just, we have 10 minutes left on this candlestick. So that's going to be hard to try to be really sure about the hold of 406.50, right? I mean, you wouldn't really know until the last 3 minutes, like I said earlier. You just really wouldn't know, unfortunately. We're retesting the VWAP. Oh, okay. I see. I used to use VWAP a long time ago. The only thing that I trust now is the RSI. But I would say RSI and VWAP are pretty trustworthy there, to be honest. VWAP more so on the technical side, and RSI more on the sentiment side. That's what I would say. Okay. Well, oh, there we go. We're losing 406. 406.50. Uh-oh. Ooh. J demand is still holding $22. That's nice. That's nice. 2 hour. Yeah. Not bad. Falling wedge still being formed. Ooh. Sentinel 1. Oh, LABU back down to our breakout area. Well, we still have a lot more time here until March, so we shall see. If it breaks below this new support area, then we're done for. I am out. I am outie. Ford looks alright. GM though, on the other hand, looks even better. Dish is holding on strong today after losing $14 here yesterday. Looks like it wants 13 though. I think the what do you call it? Let's see. What was it? Was it S? Yeah, it was S. No, it wasn't S. What was it? It was the net. Net and Coping were initiated by analysts yesterday. So I don't know if it's to sell or to the buy side. I would imagine net will be to the buy side. It's a buy recommendation by analysts, and then Coping could still be a buy as well, since the fundamentals has been really improving on this one, year by year. So I guess I wouldn't be too pessimistic on that. All right, we have peaked below 406. We weren't able to hold the 10 SMA, but it looks like we're about to move kind of sideways here. If we make a higher low from 406, yeah, we could be getting a tighter range here. So this is what we can get, guys. So possibly a move like this. Oops, Jesus. Like this, right? Around 406, and then we can either break to the upside or to the downside. Although this looks more like a flag here, right? So let's bring 408 down a little more here. We could be making a bear flag here, so be careful. Be careful. That is a huge possibility. Okay? Yeah. Nothing is actually happening around here. Because if you do get this into lunchtime, I mean, it's gonna get really boring after a move like yesterday, right? Where we just completely filled in the gap and we continue to move lower and lower and lower until we broke every single important intraday level of support, right? 409, 410.50, 408, right? So if today's a consolidation day, I'm all for it. You know what? You know, it's at this point, we should be getting some consolidation before we head lower. Oh. Uh-oh. This is the technical difficulty that I was having before. Now it's happening again. Great. My apologies, guys. Look at this. Can't even. It's not moving away. Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Okay, we're back. We are back. Okay. God. How frustrating was that? Oh, SMCI going crazy again. Huh. What do you know? In this market? Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's see what that was done. Oh, nice pop to above 51. Not bad. Oh, PayPal's just going straight down now. Mobileye back down to the bull flag. SPY's back above 46.50. Like I said, you might form this nice bear flag here. So just up and down, constant movement. Alright, bounce and rejection, bounce and rejection. Oh, the 21 SMA is now at the 408 area. It's at 408.05, exactly at 408.05. So, if you guys want to divulge in that for a nice potential retest over there on the 21, then you guys can. But again, there's a huge possibility of us just making a, you know, oh. Yeah, but there's a possibility of making a flag. Sorry, guys. I was looking at this on my stream here to see if anything was wrong, but we're back officially. Alright, things are calming down here. Ooh, MOS is still rocketing higher. Very good, very good. Yeah, Lucid is also retesting the 21 SMA on the daily. The 21 should be a good ample support, and it's also around the double-digit $10 level, so that's something to be looking out for. Other than that, we're not seeing much, guys. CSIQ is back to 40. What's 10 doing? Ah, another retest. It's ace in the support trend line, huh? The weekly, we're retesting the weekly 50 SMA as well. It's getting pretty tight. Just a matter of where we break. Let's see where EMP is at. Oh, okay, a little nice bounce. All these solo names. Okay, that's not bad. What about this cheap one? Ugly. JKS as usual. I always check this every single day. Retest of the 50. Everything looks pretty bearish though. I'll just focus on this one. Nice bull flag. NVIDIA. Oh, this can be a good short, a swing short, or a short swing trade, excuse me, to the downside until we hit 200. Yeah, this could be a nice one. This could be a nice one. It's overextended, right? The strength is crazy, but there's a chance for it to fall lower. There is a chance. Yes, there is. Alright, they'll be a retest the 10 SMA. $200 for next week. That can work. Yeah, that can work. Yeah, that can really work. Just be careful, we're slightly bouncing here with the market. Again, we might be forming a nice little flag here. Okay. We reclaim 46.50. We're still trying to get a hold and remount the 10 SMA here. I'm not gonna try to scalp this, guys. If you start forming a bear flag, I'm not gonna try to scalp every single rejection and bounce. That's way too much for me. I'm not an efficient day trader like that. I'm not able to do that. So if you guys are able to do that, I mean, congrats. That's amazing. But personally, me, I can't do that. There's no way. There's no way I'm doing that, guys. So it might get a bit boring here in the next couple of hours. So if you guys want to just be done for the day, leave the live stream, that's completely fine. I'll still be in the Discord too, so if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Yeah, SPY. As soon as I'm in, it bounced. LOL. Yeah, it's because the markets are bouncing a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, but this could spell a top here for NVIDIA after a huge run. All right. So I mean, even on the weekly, it looks pretty ugly. So into next week, yeah, you can definitely see some sort of a pullback if the markets continue to pull back here. That is definitely a possibility. NVIDIA in the 15-minute. Let's see how that looks like. Oh, we're oversold. You might have to average down a little bit when we start to bounce. Once we start rejecting. Dion got the pullback and confirmation candle I wanted. On SPY? Yeah. That's for sure. 46.50, yeah. Take a look at the hourly. Ooh, hourly looks good, guys. Hourly looks good. But again, hourly can also make a bear flag too. This is the flag pull, right? This huge move down on the hourly. Okay, that's the flag. That's a flag pull, and then we can make a flag today for another continuation to the downside until we hit 403.50 and eventually 400. And I want that to happen before CPI, though. That's the only condition that I have for us to hit what do you call it? 400 before CPI. That's all I want. Yeah, I mean, we're not. Did we long 406 point? No, we didn't. We didn't. I'm not willing to play the consolidation that we're getting now, since after that nice run down to the downside yesterday. So, I mean, that's just me. If you guys want to play that, you guys can. The price action is going to get tighter and tighter until we get into a lunch hour where we see really dead volume, and we're probably going to see a lot more tighter action than right now. So if you're able to play the wicks here, right, the big fast snapbacks, move downs, and bounces up, you guys can, but I'm not playing that. Yeah, I didn't long 406.50. I mean, there's an opportunity there, but I didn't due to the reasons that I've mentioned previously. So my apologies, guys, if you guys want to long that and you're waiting for something, but I just can't. I'm not a scalper like that. I'm just not. I like to get in the bigger moves here. Ooh, the video looks like a very nice falling wedge though, and it's kind of oversold too. Not kind of. It is oversold. If we do get a bounce, that'll be nice. I think energy should be strong here, to be honest. Alright, energy and healthcare. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Energy is really moving here. Oops. XOM. Joel, hey brother, when you get the chance, I'll send you a message from Instagram. Sure. Go ahead. Oh, XOM! Back to highs! What the? New all-time highs? That is unexpected. Holy cow. Wow. I did not expect that from XOM. Very interesting. Wow. Okay, we've remounted the 10 SMA. We're very boring. We're still making lower highs here. Alright, we're holding 407. Maybe we see a quick move to the 21 SMA, but I don't know with this volume too, you know. It's gonna be hard to try to justify a large move upward when we're consolidating like this, but who knows? Who knows? We tend to get a very nice move when we least expect it, so. Always when we least expect it, and that's when we get the nice moves. Miner, be careful for NVIDIA though. Okay, there is very much of an oversold presence here at the lows right now, and on the 15-minute time frame, we're below the 200. We could get a quick snapback to around like 215 at least. Okay, just be careful. Just be careful. I'm just letting you know that. All right, I'm not trying to crap on your position, but Oops. And we're back, guys. My apologies. We're back. We're back. All right, SPY. Let's see if we can get up to 408. Oh, minor. Sorry. Yeah, we're back. Sorry about that. Yeah. So Nvidia, if the market continues to bounce on the hourly here and on the 15-minute time frame for the rest of the day today. We can see Nvidia going back to at least 415, at least around there. I'm not saying this to really crap on your position again. We are in oversold conditions on the 15-minute time frame, and we've lost the 200 SMA. This is bearish. It is bearish, right? It's just that there is a possibility for us to move back to the upside. That's it. All right, a little tiny bounce, and then we probably move down again into next week. All right. I'm not saying that we for sure do, but just letting you know, right? Just be careful. That's all I'm saying. Just be careful. BTU, huh? Yeah, the energy rally. You're right. Energy XLV. XLV is about to actually move up higher too, to be honest. Defensive sectors are kind of popping off right now. But yeah, BTU. Let me see. Oh, it has earnings. Anthony, be careful. It has earnings. Just be careful. It has earnings after hours today, or. So it's estimated it is today, but okay. They're not sure yet, I guess. That's fine, I guess. Yeah, we might be having a very slow move up. Alright, if you don't make a bear flag, we're just gonna get a very slow move up, alright, for the rest of the day. Quite slow move. Mobileye, look at that. Oh my god, SMCI. Wow, what a recovery. Huh. Let's go back to net. That's not what I want here. Net. Thank you. Net is right back down to where we were yesterday. We're actually below the opening price of yesterday too. Wow, even though they had some really good earnings and what do you call it? The bottom is in for Cloudflare stock. Who wrote this? Oh my god. Whenever you see articles like this, guys, this means that it's the top. Usually. Wait, hold on. It came out an hour ago. So on 7:25. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, so those articles tend to give you the top signal, the short-term top, and it's like we have a nice double top here for NET too. So, oof. video. Oh. Yeah, SPY's making a bear flag. Note that NVIDIA is trying to be as oversold as possible, I think, at this point on the 15-minute. On the 5-minute, though, there could be a snapback here. There's a slight possibility, guys. Slight possibility. Look at the heat map. Oh, look at that. SPY wedging? Yeah. Yeah, bear flag is forming, man. Yeah. NVIDIA is somehow surprisingly still going lower. I was expecting a quick snapback to 215 at least. Huh. I need a retest of the 200 SMA. We might get that. We might get that in the next couple of minutes though. So we'll see. SPY is definitely wedging. Yeah. This is where the volume dries up really quickly, guys. The volume is going to dry up very, very quickly, unfortunately. Can't really do much about that, but as long as you're staying patient with everything, you should be good. Hey, JWN looks good still. This name is moving. Dell. What about HPQ? Oh, HPQ is getting pretty tight too. This is the Warren Buffett name here. These are the names that are like, what Warren Buffett calls, it makes logical sense. These are logic-based companies, right? These are the value names, right? So these are the growth names, and for them to be going up, kind of indicates that there is some sort of weakness in the market, and people are trying to move towards these better looking, well, quote unquote, better looking names here, even on just on a technical aspect, but more so on the fundamental aspect. So something that you guys should be watching out for, guys. Definitely. Oh, I was expecting the video to bounce. Huh. Interesting. You know, the intraday is getting pretty overextended here to the downside. We'll see what's gonna happen here. I'm looking at the video right now because there's a possibility for a nice bounce to the upside with this falling wedge. All right, falling wedge, and we're coupled with an oversold RSI. All right, that usually tends to give us nice big jumps to the upside too. Intraday jumps, not obviously not a huge overall daily jump, but we shall see though. We shall see. Alright guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get something to eat. It's been 30 minutes past when I said I'll get something to eat, but I'll be right back guys, I'll be right back. What's up, guys? I'm back. If you guys didn't eat yet, you guys should. If you guys are on the Pacific Standard Time. I think most of you guys are in Central or Eastern. So nat gas is doing. Yeah, so nat gas should be participating with the energy run up, but it seems like it's gonna be a very slow run here. I'm expecting gap ups, you know, into this potential reversal, but we're not seeing that just yet. I remember playing it over here, but here we're not seeing it at all. Ooh, the video. There is on the retest the 10 SMA. Look at that, guys. SPY is making this wedge. We have room to 192 retests on NVIDIA. On the daily? Yeah. On the broad time frames, yeah, 192 is a possible area. But first, we gotta see how it reacts to 200. Okay. Oh. Wow. You guys see why I didn't get the calls at 406? Right? I mean, Zoom? Calls? Zoom calls? Maybe? That's a maybe. It's kind of in the middle of nowhere too. I mean, it's retesting the daily 21 SMA, but that's pretty much it. There's no significant level. Maybe if you come back down to, oops, maybe down to around 72, I'll be interested. Okay. But yeah, I mean, it can work. The 21 SMA is right here. We're just retesting it. We're seeing a slight bounce, right? So yeah, that could be a very good possibility of that happening. Just personally for me, it's in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, SPY flag is forming on the 15-minute and the hourly actually. Yeah. Surprised Nat Gas is not reacting with the rest of the energy names. That was pretty strong. I like it. Nice action here like this. Good typical uptrend move. See the weekly. Oh, the weekly looks even better. Wow. So you're gonna have a nasty breakout if it does move. I really want to play this NVIDIA move to the upside. If it bounces here on the oversold, no, you got a pretty good entry. Aren't you in profit by now, right? You got it around like 213, I think. Is that where you went in, or 214? Yeah, 213. Yeah. It feels like you're chasing, but it's going the right way. 212. That's not bad either. 10T is still gonna have to go down a lot more than this. NET is sitting right back there. I'm still up 8%. I see. Okay. Well, I think you're still good. 211. We're also retesting it on the daily time frame as well. 211 and the 10 SMA. This is our third retest since this run up. Our third retest. Nice. Good job scaling out. That's good lunch money, bro. That's good, man. Especially in the market environment like this. Yeah, that's good. No worries there. That's very, very good. Ooh, this is a pretty elongated falling wedge now. If we do see a back test of 214 though, guys, that should be a good area to take some more puts right there. 214 is also a previous level of resistance. Okay. We have intraday support around 210. This one should be like right over here actually. 208. There we go. Yeah, figs. Sure. Oh, UNG. You gotta move, man. UNG. Gotta haul ass here. Hey. Get with the program, man. With the energy. Finally seeing higher lows though, so that's good. That's a big positive. Yeah, the video's starting to hesitate a little bit here. With the selling. All right, looks like NVIDIA wants 410 miner. You can also start scaling out the rest here around 410. Yeah. Things are pretty boring now as we head into lunchtime. Alright, SPY is holding 406.50. This is good. We still have made higher lows here. It's not bad at all. And NVIDIA can be taking some profits here. You can be taking some profits, definitely. Both 5 and the 15-minute are very oversold. All right, guys, that's it for tonight. For today. I mean, there isn't much to look at anymore. I'm just gonna go sideways here for now, slowly moving lower until we hit a pretty good area of support. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to everyone who liked the video. 7 likes, that's amazing. Just try to get to 10 next time. That'd be great as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys all next week on Monday. Alright, hopefully I'm able to see you guys in the CFO Discord once you guys join the CFO Swing and Watch newsletter. And you guys should be able to see a link down below in the description box if you guys want to, you know, join us. And also, if you guys haven't read the Beginner's Trading Guide, make sure you guys read that book. The link is down below. It's the very first link. Alright, have a great